Hello everybody. OpenAI was just live with their Spring update, showcasing the latest and greatest in ChatGPT, and I will cover all of the most important announcements in this short video. So first off, they announced that they are bringing new desktop applications to desktop devices. In the live session, they showcased only the macOS version, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to be available for Windows as well. And they also announced some new updates to the web UI of ChatGPT. So improvements to streamline use and make it more easy for users to find all the important features and have access to everything they need. As part of that, they also announced that free users will be getting access to all the GPTs and ChatGPT store that's available for currently only for paid users. And so it will now be available for everybody. So GPTs offers will now have access to much bigger market, and they will be able to release custom GPTs for regular users that are not paid users, which is amazing. And it's going to be definitely a great new frontier for developers on ChatGPT platform. Definitely the main star of the show was GPT-4o, which is the new model, which is a flagship model with GPT-4 level capabilities, but it's faster and has omnimodal input. So it's now able to reason across real-time voice, real-time vision, and also real-time text. So it's very natural to interact with it. You can interrupt it while it's replying to you, and you can adjust its output as you go during that real-time session. So it's very natural, like you are interacting with a real human being. So it's very, very amazing. They showed many, very interesting examples of that during the session. I can show you several of them here, some snippets that were the most interesting ones. So the first thing they showed was real-time conversation with real-time interruptions while they were conversing. So let's see the demo of that here.
Oh, Mark. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Hey, so I'm on stage right now. I'm doing a live demo, and frankly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Can you help me calm my nerves a little bit?
Oh, you're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome. Just take a deep breath. And remember, you're the expert here.
I like that suggestion. Let me try a couple deep breaths. Can you give me feedback on my breaths? Okay, here I go.
Whoa, slow down a bit there. Mark, you're not a vacuum cleaner. Breathe in for accountability.
So as you heard already, the voice is very natural feeling, as if it was a real human, but they also showcase that it can get even more emotional, and they showed it on an example with fairy tales. So let's see that demo now.
Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte.
No, ChatGPT. I really want maximal emotion, like maximal expressiveness, much more than you were doing before.
Understood. Let's amplify the drama. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte.
So that was voice capabilities, but now let's combine it with vision and give ChatGPT a real-time video input to solve a linear equation that's written on a paper. That was pretty amazing demo. Let's see it now.
The first step is to get all the terms with x on one side and the constants on the other side. So what do you think we should do with that +1?
Okay, I'm going to try to subtract 1 from both sides, and then I'll see what I get.
Great idea. Perfect. Now, what do you get when you subtract 1 from both sides?
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
Spot on. Now you've isolated the term with x on one side, and it looks like 3x equal 3. What do you think we should do next to solve for x?
I'm not sure. Can you give me another hint?
Of course. You have 3x, and you want to find the value of x. Think about what...
And OpenAI brought this same capability to the desktop applications as well. So if you have the desktop ChatGPT app installed, you will be able to share your screen to that application, and it will be able to see what's happening on your screen and help you in real time with whatever you need. And let's see that demo as well.
I'm sharing with you the plot now. I'm wondering if you can give me a really brief one-sentence overview of what you see.
The plot displays smoothed average, minimum, and maximum temperatures throughout 2018, with a notable annotation marking a big rainfall event in late September.
So all of these amazing capabilities of GPT-4o will be available over the next few weeks to all users of ChatGPT, so not only paid users, but also free users. So I cannot wait to get my hands on it. And when I do, I will definitely make a new video showcasing that and how it behaves in real life. Maybe I will also do a live session kind of taking potential prompts from live viewers